Hi everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Fluid Arts by Elsa. Today, before we begin with our painting for today, I want to show you the dried piece from my previous video, and that was the oval piece that I did the puddle pour and then I wrapped it. So I'm going to show you how that turned out, and I am in love with it. Take a look at this. How gorgeous. And like you said, Andrea, I really love it, and I don't think I want to put anything on top. But I may want to tinker a little bit later on, so I won't promise anything. We'll see what happens. So this is the piece. Tell me what you guys think. I love the colors. Turned out beautiful and it dried nice. I like how it looks. And then when I put a top coat of resin, I know that it will pop. So that's the 11 by 14 inch canvas. If anybody is interested, email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com. So I can't wait to get started. I am experimenting. I'm just doing a couple of things different. And let's go ahead and have fun. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone. Thank you for joining me here for this video. So we are working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. We are going to flood with titanium white by Artist Loft. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay. So the first color we're starting with is Lamp Black by Amsterdam. And I'm going to be very light-handed with this color. Next color I'm using is Pearl Ocean Blue by Arteza. And I'm going to drizzle the paint in a zigzag line. Okay. Next I have Light Violet by Golden. Okay. Now I have Luminous Violet by Holbein, and this color tends to take over, so I'm going to be very careful to add just a little bit, just like that. Okay. Next I have Pearlized Violet by Master's Touch. And again, I'm going to add a little bit of this one as well because they do take, this one tends to sell up a lot. It creates a lot of cells. Okay. Now I have 24 karat gold by DecoArt. And a smidge of that. I love the color combination. And I have Axolotl by TLP. And I put this one in because it has a shifting to a blue. And since I have pinks and blues, this I thought would be a good choice of color. Now we're going to go ahead and torch out the air bubbles. You don't see them much, but there are a lot of air bubbles as I was vigorously shaking my bottles since I haven't used them in a while. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go right here. I love it. I love it. I love the colors. I'm going to blow in here because I want some of that color to go in there. Just like that. You see, that's gorgeous. I wanted to do a botanical technique, but I don't think I want to touch this one. I love how it looks. I love the color combination. Love the pop of black right in here. And I love the cells it created. So I think I am going to leave this one as is. What do you guys think? I'm going to grab... I just want the tip of this so I can kind of bring these colors around. I just want to have them wrapping around, creating kind of a continuing line, not just a harsh stop like here. Something like that. Oh, guys, I'm so happy with this. And I haven't been painting in a while. That's why you haven't seen anything on my channel recently. Been just going through some difficult times. I am super happy. I don't think I want to do anything to this piece. I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so here it is. And look how gorgeous this color combination is. Take a look at the cells. And there's the axolotl that I told you. Look at that blue. That's that shifting from that pink to that gorgeous blue. And that is the axolotl. A lot of cells, beautiful burst of color pops. I love the cells. Look at that webbing in there. It looks like ripples of like cells. Beautiful. I love how, look at that. Look at that, the pops of blue here, just gorgeous. Check out that 24 karat gold in there. Beautiful cells. Love that. You see that outline of black, gorgeous. And as we continue up here, look at that. The pops of blue, they're just amazing. I love it. Take a look at that. You see the cells, the ripples. Look at the gorgeous webbing, lacing. Absolutely a beautiful piece. Take a look. Tell me what you guys think. I was going to do like that botanical swipe that Rinska does, but I didn't want to touch this one. What do you guys think? I didn't want to distort it because I love the blowout. I love how that kind of branches over there, curves. It curves in here, curves out this way. So I didn't want to experiment with this piece. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you love the color combination. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me here at Float Arts by Elsa. And just a gorgeous piece. Thank you for joining me. Have a good evening. Bye, guys.